Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Binance referral code. This promo code will get you 20% fee discount on every trade and also a $100 bonus once you sign up. So all you have to do is go below this YouTube video and find either in the description of the video or in the first comment below this Binance referral link. You just have to click on it or simply copy and paste the referral code just here. But don't worry, if you directly click on the link, you will be automatically redirected to Binance and this referral code will be pre-activated. So you just have to sign up. You can use a Google account if you want, for instance. I'm just going to use one like this. Then you just have to check this and say next. And then as you can see, Binance will welcome you aboard. And as you can read here, your referral ID has been activated. So you will get these bonuses, the 20% discount on all the fees and the $100 bonus. Just click on next. And then you just have to finish your verification. Just fill in your personal information. It will just take a few minutes and then you will have your Binance account ready with all your bonuses. Have fun on Binance, and if you have any question, you can write me in the comments below. See you. Bye.